And for a long time. We playing on that beach, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Hey, nigga, what you wrote? Boy, nigga, you was talking on the wrong throat. Talking out the wrong throat. I see you smoking smoke. Yeah, nigga, use a gator crying tired hoe. Hey, excuse me, talking in marijuana smoke. I know this me in the marijuana choke. I tell that boy, get the marijuana dope. Let's go, nigga, before they get the marijuana coked up. Cops just wanna come through and take my shit. Racist ass bitches ain't take my shit. Nigga, I'ma fight for my shit. Had to dance with me. Yeah, boy, I'ma come at you so quickly. Hand throwing left, hand throwing right, nigga. Every time I think about the south side of dancing right, man, it's me. Fuck your homie, fuck your G, nigga, this is me.
And we keep it G. Come down like it was industry, but we in the streets, can't see me. Got the ski mask or maybe bandana with the damn Chuck Taylors. Me know I'm gonna handle it. Yeah, we got the stamina, this that county flow. They don't know about the game, yeah, come to my door. I'ma have to sell that, man, I got to make it. If I don't make it, man, I got to take it. Yeah, I'm powered up and I don't give a fuck. Gotta hurry up, man, I'm running out of luck. Man, I gotta make something out of nothing, bruh. Can't stop me, man, I'm shooting furniture. If you in the living room, then your ass dead. I ain't tryna put myself on first 48. Man, I got to come through, Texas license plate. Got the candy paint with the fifth wheel like I'm an 8. Straight from H-Town, but now this college man come to the I-20 and you see the county around. Man, it go down, man, pop a 4. Sip some syrup, get real eyes low.
Flow, nigga, get high as the flow. We taxing all nigga for the flow. Hey nigga, this is how we ain't going broke no more. Hey, roll around in a Suzuki, just chillin', trying to make a little money. I'm living this, winning this nigga shit. Used to ride around in the slab, but Tory trying to make a flow that's live. We jamming, just put it on the radio now. We bang it cause it's our shit, nigga, now. I'm proud of my shit, proud of our shit, proud of how we making it, bitch. Proud of how we don't fuck with you fake ass niggas. Hey nigga, I'm proud of how we county, bitch, nigga. Real as I can get, and I tell you, boy, this is the shit that I'm wanna be, and I am that rich. I need that money so quickly, I need that money so quickly. You gotta get it, my nigga. I see it right and I'm getting it, nigga. Watch me moving, I be moving so nifty. I be moving so pronto like the Mescals and Millie. Hey, boy, what you think? I can grab me a milli, I can grab me a gun. This right here so easy. Hey, words, just connect, nigga. Look at your neck, I want that. Hey, boy, nigga, you ain't gotta send a bound there. I take it off your neck. I'm hungry, need money. County. Hey, loving how she clapped to that. Just loving how she bounced to that. All up on the pole, yeah, she bounced to that. Watch the old niggas, watch throw the cash. She bring it right back. That's PIMP status. Counted shit, nigga.